Hello students, today we will discuss conjunctive adverbs. This is the part of the conjunctions. It has been left there, so we are to do today conjunctive adverbs. What are conjunctive adverbs? Conjunctive adverbs are part of speech that are used to connect one clause to another. They are used to show sequence, contrast, cause and effect and other relationship. So here we are joining two independent clauses. So we are to join two independent clauses, like here independent clauses, there we find two independent clauses and we join these two independent clauses with the help of adverbs. Rules for using conjunctive adverbs: always use a period or a semicolon. So period means here we are to separate this with the use of semicolon. Before conjunctive adverbs we are to put a semicolon when separating two independent clauses. So here we are to join two independent clauses with the help of adverb. So when we use adverb, before that we are to put semicolon. Conjunctive adverbs are not strong enough to join independent clauses without supporting punctuation. So there we are to keep in mind the proper use of punctuations. Before the adverb we are to put a semicolon, and after the adverb we are to put a comma. Use a comma if a conjunctions such as and, but, or, so appears between the conjunctive adverbs and the first clause. So when these are appear before the conjunctive adverbs, we are to put a comma. Before and, before but, or, so, when they appear between the conjunctive adverbs, so we are to put comma when they appear. Use a comma behind conjunctive adverbs when they appear at the beginning of a sentence second clause. So when it appears in the second clause, now here we are not joining. We are using conjunctive adverbs at the second clause. So when we are using second clause, we are to put a comma after using the conjunctive adverb. I'll give the example also. The only exception to this rule is that no comma is necessary if the adverb is a single syllable. So when we find adverb in a single syllable, then there is no use of comma. I'll give the example of this also. If a conjunctive adverb appears in the middle of a clause, it should enclosed in commas. So it must use a comma when it appears in the middle of a clause. Examples of the conjunctive adverbs. First is, John kept talking in class, semicolon, therefore he got in trouble. Then therefore there should be a comma. She went into the store, semicolon, however, comma, she did not find anything she wanted to buy. So this is one clause. She went into the store, she did not find anything she wanted to buy. We are to join these two sentences with the use of conjunctive adverb. So this is adverb and this works as a conjunctions, because with the help of however we are joining two sentences. I like you a lot. In fact, I think we should be best friend. So before that we are to use semicolon, and after that we are to put a comma. Your dog got into my yard. In addition, he dug up my carrot plants. सो इन एडिशन इसके वो चला तो गया यार्ड में, उसके अलावा उसने क्या किया? ही डग अप माई कैरेट प्लांट्स. सो दिस इज द अनदर थिंग विच ही wants to discuss. You are my friend nonetheless. I feel like you are taking advantage of me. So, you are my friend. Nonetheless, I feel like you are taking advantage of me. So we are joining these two sentences with the help of nonetheless. Next is my car payment are high. On the other hand, I really enjoy driving such a nice vehicle. So here my car payment are high. Payments are high. This is one sentence and we are joining another with it. I really enjoy driving such a nice vehicle. How you will join and how you will get the correct meaning what he wants to say. High on the one hand he is saying, and on the second hand he is saying that he is enjoying driving. So you are to put a conjunctions and adverb which works, which give the clear meaning of both of these two sentences. So my car payments are high. On the other hand, I really enjoy drinking such a nice vehicle. Now this is the exercise third, as we have discussed two exercises of conjunctions in the previous video. You need to put more effort into your work. You would you would not get a passing marks. So what will come here? You need to put more efforts into your work. You would not get a passing marks. What will come? First we have to put a comma here, as we have put semicolon, so we'll put a comma. So what will come? Moreover, otherwise, unless, instead. So what will come? You are to comment me in the comment section and I'll give the answer of these exercises in the next video. We wanted to spend the day at the beach. It rained, so we stayed home. So we wanted to spend the day on the beach or at the beach. It rained, so we stayed home. What will come? Moreover, unless, however, additionally. So we are to put any one of them. She is a very smart girl. It's not at the all surprising that she gets such good grades. What will come? Again, she is a very smart girl. Again, it's not at all. She is a very smart girl. Besides, it's not at all surprising. Contrarily, therefore, what will come? You are to assess the proper answer and comment me in the comment section. Javed is a millionaire. His brother Jeremy is always flat broke. Flat broke means completely penniless. So this is the meaning of flat broke, completely penniless. Now what will come here? Javed is a millionaire. His brother Jeremy is always flat broke. In contrast, accordingly, again, likewise, what will come? You have to find the correct answer. He felt he couldn't tell the truth about what happened. Dash, he lied. He felt he could not tell the truth about what happened. He lied. What will come? In contrast, likewise, instead, undoubtedly. Now, below is the list given of all the conjunctive adverbs. So this is the list. Here is a comprehensive list of the conjunctive adverbs. Additionally, again, almost, anyway, as a result, in addition, consequently, conversely, besides, certainly, comparatively, consequently, contrarily, comparatively, further, furthermore, elsewhere, equally, eventually, finally, hence, henceforth, however. So here we have seen so many conjunctive adverbs that we can add in the sentences and we can make the correct meaning. Now the next exercise. You need not put more efforts into your work. You wouldn't get a passing marks. You need to put more efforts into your work. You can assume, you can judge what will come here. Yes, you would not get a passing marks. Otherwise, you would not get a passing marks. You need to put more efforts into your work. Otherwise, you would not get a passing marks. Next, I love to eat toffees. Dash, people often give them give them to me at holidays. So I love to eat toffees. So what will come here? People often give them to me at holidays. Nevertheless, accordingly, however, also मेरा खाने का तो बहुत मन करता है, मैं खाना बहुत चाहता हूँ, लेकिन जो लोग हैं वो मुझे हॉलीडेज पर ही टॉफिस देते हैं. What will come here? The the tree has developed a large crack over the years. The tree has developed a large crack over the years. It will have to be cut down for safety's sake. It will have to be cut down for safety's sake. What will come? For example, it will cut down. It will have to be cut. However, it will have to be cut. Eventually, likewise, what will come? You are to comment me the right answer. It would be nice to spend our vacations on the beach in Jamaica. It would be fun to hike the Swiss Alps. So what will come here? It would be nice to spend our vacation on the beach in Jamaica. It would be fun to hike the Swiss Alps. Switzerland Alps, that is Swiss Alps. What will come here? On the other hand, as a result, indeed, therefore. So you are to comment me the right answer, or you are to wait for the next video. In next video, I'll give the answer of these 4 exercises. I don't really like coffee. I don't really like coffee. I do enjoy a mocha tart. Mocha tart is a kind of coffee. So this is a type of coffee. This is a combination of coffee plus chocolate. So mocha tart. The mayor resigned. He apologized. This will come together. He apologized for his mistake. The mayor resigned. This is one sentence. He apologized for his mistake. This is another sentence, and we are to join to get the proper meaning of these 2 sentences. So what will come? Therefore, however, in fact, instead. So these all are the exercises for you guys. You are to find the correct answer and you are to write the correct answer to me in the comment section. Or if you are not interested to write in the comment section, so wait for my next video. There I'll give the answer of these all the exercises. Now students, conjunctive adverbs, it works as a conjunction to join 2 independent clauses. Here we are to put punctuations. First, before conjunctive adverbs, we are to put a semicolon, and after that we are to put a comma. So punctuation is must here. Independent clause, we are to, okay, This was the thing which I wanted to tell you. That was the thing given in rules, that if we have two conjunctive adverbs, sorry, we have two independent clauses, and first we have used first independent clause, and we are to put a full stop to separate it, and in the next I want to confess what is given here in independent clause. So there I am using the conjunctive adverbs. So when I am using conjunctive adverbs, there is need that we are to put a comma, and then we are to give second independent clause. Then also it will give the correct meaning of both of the sentences. Like here, the major resigned. In fact, comma, he apologized for his mistakes. So this is the correct way of using conjunctive adverbs. Now the conjunctive adverbs. How many types of conjunctive adverbs are? Adding information. If we are going to add some extra information in the second sentence, then we use also, finally, furthermore, in addition, moreover. And if we are giving any cause and effect in the second sentence, then we can use conjunctive adverbs such as accordingly, consequently, hence, therefore, thus. In a conjunctions, if we are adding extra information, then for conjunction we use and, but as a conjunctive adverbs we are to use these all adverbs. As a to show the cause and effect, we can use so here as a conjunctions, but we are to use these all as conjunctive adverbs. Contrast. For a contrast, if in the second sentence we are showing something contrasting thing which is not familiar with the first sentence or the first clause, then we can use these all are the conjunctive adverbs which works like a but conjunction. By contrast, instead, however, nevertheless, nonetheless. Changing direction. If something we are showing something very different and we are changing the direction in the second clause, then we can use yet as a conjunction, or as an adverb, anyway, incidentally, meanwhile, next, still. We can use all these conjunctive adverbs. Similarity. To show similarity between two clauses or two sentences, we can use also as a conjunction, or equally, likewise, similarity. Similarly also will come, similarity will also come. So here we can use these all are the conjunctive adverbs. Emphasis. If we are showing emphasis on the second sentence, then we can use indeed, in fact, undoubtedly. So these all are the conjunctive adverbs. So students, goodbye. In the next video we will find out the answer of all the exercises. Till then, goodbye. Stay home, stay tuned.